Hey, what's up YouTube? We're getting close to Christmas now, and if you are looking for a last-minute Christmas idea, I have the perfect one for you. So check this out. As you can see here, I have a setup in my FJ Cruiser for two small kids, and when we take them to school, we typically have them load their own backpacks. So I bought these hooks on Amazon, which go on the back of the headrest, and they're connected through the little pole here. I'll pull this one up here. It basically attaches here through the headrest pole. This one here fits the FJ Cruiser seat pretty well, so it kind of hugs the curve there. And what I like about this is that it is a little loose, which can be a detraction for some of you. But what I like about it is when they enter the car, if this gets in the way, you can easily just kind of swing it over, let your passengers get through. And when they're finally in, it kind of swings over into place. And the curve is pretty good. It's a pretty good match to the FJ Cruiser seat. So here's an example of how it can be used. If you've got a backpack, then you can hang it there on the seat. Or if you've got a purse and you're entering the car, you can kind of swing your arm over the passenger side seat and hang your purse there. Okay, that's a good look at it there. If you want to hang a water bottle, I've got one with the carabiner here. It hangs easily like that. So both of my kids actually like to hang their water bottles on the hooks there. And they have easy access to the water bottles, which frees up one of their pockets here. Okay. If you wanted to hang a hat, you can do that too. I mean, you can use two on either headrest. Maybe you can hang a backpack here, a water bottle here, maybe a hat on the other side and a water bottle or something. But we actually have two cars and I'm using two in each car. So I bought the 4-pack and basically I'm using two in each car, one on either seat. Here's a quick look at how the hooks fit in the RAV4. This is a 2010 RAV4. These are the OEM seats. And there's the curve of the hook. Fits it quite nicely. And so again, I have two hooks in the FJ, two hooks in the RAV. And of course you can use these on the back as well. You can see I've hung one back here. You can maybe throw a hat or something. I don't know. A lot of you probably won't have this platform here like I do. So maybe you can hang shopping bags on the back of here. Whatever you decide to use it for, I'm sure you'll find it useful. So here's the way it hugs the back of this. It's actually made for the passenger seat or the driver's seat, so it hugs it a little bit better. And so yeah, that's how I'm using it. Real quickly, here's two of them together. There's one over there, right? But yeah, here's one way to use it. There's two right there. You can do that. And I find it pretty useful, and it's pretty easy to install, doesn't get in the way, and it's a pretty good product. Alright, so that was a really quick video on a last-minute Christmas gift idea. If you are still looking for something for somebody, then that's a pretty good option. So I will leave a link in the description down below where you can find that product. And thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you on the next video.